This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This one covers the right turn from Newton Abbot to Torquay. You'll notice from the signs that we need to be in the centre lane for Torquay. As we approach the roundabout, you'll notice there are two lanes for Torquay and King's Kerswell. We want to be using the left of those two unless we're planning to overtake something. So the road markings are going to confirm the two lanes there. So the fact that the left of the two also goes to Milber, that's fine. That's still the normal driving lane for Torquay. As we come up to the traffic lights, we need to keep an eye out for that yellow box. This route does get quite busy, so you really do need to look ahead here. It's quite often that you'll need to stop here on a green light. So you'll notice across this yellow box there are 3 lanes, and we're going to be using the centre of those 3. So the white line that's to the right, we need to keep close to that line as we come around the roundabout, and that will help us position correctly. If you look ahead and see the sign that's just beyond the traffic lights, you'll see there are 4 lanes under that bridge, and we're going to be in lane number 3. So when we move off, we do need to be aware of the motorbike, just giving him some space. There we go, so we're going off on the green now. So remember, we're going to keep to that white line on the right. You'll notice it says TOR on the floor, so following that round. Now the 2 lanes to the left are going to take the exit that's coming up. We need to continue on the roundabout. Remember, we're taking the 3rd exit. So keep following that white line, keeping it on your right. Keep looking out for TOR written on the floor. And as we come around here, you'll see we're passing that 2nd exit. The 3rd exit's just ahead of us. Just keeping an eye on those mirrors and what's going on around, and then we leave the roundabout. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.